We've already seen the assignment operator in action many times, but what does it do? Well, it just assigns a value or expression to a variable. So let's go ahead and create a new file. I'm going to call this one 15 assignment operators or operator. Zoom in for you. And we'll create a variable called best PHP tutorial YouTuber. And of course, that's going to be me. Best expression is 5 plus 7. And in both of these cases, what do we just do? Well, we use the assignment operator. The assignment operator takes the value or expression on the right and assigns it to the variable on the left. And that's always the case. You're never going to have the reverse, where it's from the left to the right. We also have, for example, another expression, let's say we do hello dot there. These two strings are concatenated, and then they're assigned to the value or to the variable on the left. This is where it starts getting a little weird, so there is a little bit of weirdness. That's why I decided to do a tutorial on it. We can assign a value and then assign that to another variable in the same expression. So we could say like x is equal to 22, right? Actually, let's do it a little bit differently. Let's say y is equal to 2. And then we're going to take this whole thing and we're going to say x is equal to, in parentheses, y is equal to 2. So what happens here? So y is equal to 2, and then the y is assigned to x. So x is now going to be equal to 2 as well. Why would you want to do that? Well, let's say you have something like this. Y is equal to 2, so then y plus 22, which comes out to 24, is equal to x. So after y is evaluated, you pretty much get x is equal to 2 plus 22. I know I just accidentally put dx right there. Don't worry, we're not doing any calculus. So yeah, so let's see what we have right here. We have echo x. Let's just do it this way. X dot x. And then we'll do y is equal to y. All right. Let's go back over here. Open it up. So x is equal to 24. Y is equal to 2. So that's really the only kind of weird thing. There are, of course, other tricks that you can do with all this stuff, but we don't want to even go into that. I don't even want to cover it since it'll just make the code completely unreadable. It's a lot more explicit if you write out the previous code, for example, like this. Y is equal to 2, and then x is equal to y plus 22. So instead of doing this right here, I actually suggest that you do something like this, just for code readability.